stuff. So I'm gonna stop there. I'm not even gonna say it. I mean to keep going, yet I keep stopping. $200. Hey, just like my table back home that my grandpa fixed. Man, I have one at home just like it.
Yeah, pretty neat how they made
Yeah.
it. I set it up because I've seen them before, but I forgot where it's spring loaded.
Yeah, the spring loaded slat.
Yeah, it just pops into place. If you need anything,
Okay, appreciate it. Pre-Civil War. Dang. Creepy. Thinking about it, but I think it's the graveyard that's selling me on it. How much is this guy?
honey, it's Pam's, ask her.
Tonto and Scout, 75.
75?
Yeah, the little gun and the knife we've got over there because it's so tiny.
Oh, yeah, okay.
You know, it goes in the back of Tonto's little
Oh, you got the little gun holster.
knife goes on one side and then the gun on the other.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're old.
Yeah.
When I put this little saddle on,
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it's even got the little padding on the back of it, and you know, it's real
Yeah.
leather. I was like, I can't believe how much detail they used
Yeah.
to really put into stuff.
I had $1 for every wrong turn that I've made. Somehow I just went 5 miles north. How do I get on a highway going north when I'm heading south? What's a good deal on that? $100 for both? That sounds like a good deal. $100 for 2 saddles. This one looks a little rough. How much you have on your tricycle? 75?
That's over 100 years old.
It looks like it's over 100 years old.
I'll tell you what I'll do. I will take 10 off both of the saddles. $90. Take
90 bucks.
both of them.
I'm thinking about it. He's trying to sell me the saddles, but I really want the tricycle. I'm short on cash. And he's saying 75 on the tricycle. I think it's going to be too much. How much are these saddles here?
That one, Garrett. That one you just put your.
Yeah.
That's
450. 450?
I mean,
Yeah.
it's a good saddle. It's still solid. Yep, that's actually a Bonnie Allen saddle.
Bonnie Allen?
Yep, that's an old saddle,
That looks like an old one.
and it's got the stamps on the side of the for the big cow. It's a big one.
Oh. So what do you get for this type?
I was asking 120, but I mean, I don't know.
Is it 450 on the?
Yeah, the Simcoe. That's a heck of a saddle. You can ride in that and not
Like
get
a-
sore. That's the big
Cadillac,
one.
huh?
Yep. This saddle's cool too, though. Yeah, I mean, there's another one here. This is a real good saddle. It's custom buffalo saddle, but it's got a lot of bling on it. It's an actual buffalo made. It's low saddle.
Oh, okay, that's a name.
Custom made saddle.
Oh.
It's hand stitched.
That's cool, yeah. So if you had to ride on one of these, which one would you?
I'd either ride the Simcoe or the buffalo myself.
Yeah.
Yep. If I was gonna ride on one, or this one. This would be my next one.
What do you have on the bike?
Maybe 10 bucks.
10 bucks.
Can't get much for 10 bucks anymore. Can you?
That is the truth.
We came in with that truck and that trailer loaded, trailer swaying.
trailer?
And then we
Oh,
traded this guy over here and got double the stuff. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. If I
What's been selling out here?
nickel down still.
Nickel dime. Not the big stuff, huh?
Not really.
Here I am with another bike. Hope this ice cream's worth it. It's ready, huh? Oh yeah, that looks delicious. How much is this?
$4 is what.
Okay. Very good, thank you.
That's first year.
59? How long you had it?
Like 12 years.
12 years? Did you restore it yourself or?
Yeah, I bought a body in Kansas and I put it back together. I still drive it to Kansas along.
Oh. I was supposed to be at the campground about 2 hours ago. It's like dessert before dinner tonight, but I ate so much at Chipotle, I'm still full from that meal. Kentucky River Campground. Looks like a very popular spot. Alright. She said follow her. Well, we're right above the river. That looks like a little slice of heaven.
But just leave room on the road because golf carts go through here. All the
Okay,
time,
okay, alright.
And also the sidewalk or go into the shower house.
Where
The
that?
white door is
Okay.
with the screened in porch.